how to make an extra $1,000 from print on demand in this seasonal festive period before the end of 2025. Let's go.
Hey mom, you're doing great. Keep going. Don't hesitate. Success is yours. It's on the way. Let them hate, but you won't stray. Do something for yourself today. You are worthy in every way. You are strong. You are true. Beautiful. Yes, that's you. So keep going.
Hello, everyone. My name is Idayat, and I am a serial entrepreneur. I am a business coach. I'm a nurse by profession. I'm a fashion designer by trade, and I'm a business owner by choice. Today, I want to teach you how you can make an extra $1,000 from print on demand products that you can create with zero investment. Here are 5 things you need to start with today. Number one, you need to have an idea of the niche that you want to serve. For example, do you want to serve the people that are going to celebrate Christmas by December? So you can start creating Christmas inspired sweaters and posters and quotes now. Number two, you need to understand the tools that you need that we're going to talk about today that you're going to put together at no cost to you so you can start building. And number three, you are going to have to secure some time out of your time. I know you're a busy person, but what I do also know is that you want that extra $1,000 in this festive period. Number four thing you need to put in mind is you have to have a pricing strategy. All the apps that you are going to be selling your print on demand items on are also going to take percentages from you. So make sure you're factoring that into your pricing strategy before you go ahead and start selling. Number five, it's not a get rich quick scheme, but you can make quick money from doing this strategy. So first and foremost, let's talk about what is print on demand. Let me give you an example. Sometimes you go to websites like Shopify and you find this nice cute t-shirt that says no water, not even gum, no cussing, but don't try me. Okay, and you buy it for Ramadan, or when you get those ugly sweaters as a Christian for Christmas. 90% of times when you buy products like these, like t-shirts, like mugs, like posters, like paintings, they are usually print on demand. What does that mean? That means the designer designed it and there's a company that prints it and ships it directly to the consumer so you don't have to do the heavy lifting. In 2026, we want to work smart and not hard. We have been working hard for way too long. Now we want to work a little bit to make a lot of money. So here are the 3 applications you are going to need to start this business. Number one is Canva. Canva is going to be your design application. I'm going to put it on the screen. This is where you can design your tote bags, your t-shirts, your mugs, your Christian quotes, your Quranic quotes, your Ramadan reminders, your calendars, your organizers. It really doesn't matter what you want to design. You can design it on Canva. You're going to need Canva. So go ahead and download Canva today, and you can do everything from your phone. Number two is you are going to go download Printify. Printify is an application owned by a company that does print on demand. They run out of 4 different countries where you can design, print, and they ship it to these 40 countries without you having to touch it. But I highly recommend, after designing your product, request for a sample so you know exactly what you are selling. Number three, which is a choice, is Etsy. Etsy is like a borrowed traffic. When people go on Etsy, they know they want to buy from small businesses. They will know they want to buy from creators. They know what they want to get, something unique that not everybody has, like in the everyday regular store. So if you set up your store on Etsy, you can also sell these print on demand items on Etsy as well. So that's the third app. You can also choose to create a website on Shopify, but now Printify now has a is it called a pop-up shop? And this is you just creating a URL. So you have that place where people can buy, they can pay, and they can get it shipped. So you don't have to pay for a website. Because I always say, if you don't have to pay, why you gonna pay? Right? So pick your niche, You also need ChatGPT because ChatGPT is going to make the strategy and the process faster and smoother. ChatGPT is going to guide you through the process, give you markups so you have a visual um understanding of what you're about to create. I'm a visual person, so I need to see visuals. And ChatGPT can also guide you through step by step things you need to do on Canva if you're new to Canva so you can start creating. So let's say, for example, Ramadan is in less than 4 months, literally 3 months and some change, right? People are already thinking, oh my God, it's about to be Ramadan. What home decoration am I gonna do? I'm gonna take off the paintings on the wall and put Quranic reminders. I'm gonna get me a Ramadan apron. I'm gonna get me a Ramadan doormat. I'm gonna decorate my house for Ramadan. I'm going to get a Ramadan calendar so I can keep track of my deeds. I'm also gonna get a Ramadan activity calendar for my children so I can encourage them, right? To do good deeds during the month of Ramadan and beyond. We also want a Ramadan calendar so we can start counting down to Eid. I also might need Eid greeting cards, right? I also might need reminder magnetic cards that can go on my refrigerator. All of these little things is something that you can create on demand and put your own unique twist to it so you can start selling it. A lot of people are going to like to wear hoodies that remind them of the spiritual moment, tote bags and stuff like that. Phone cases, all of these, Printify has over 1,000 products that you can sell, that you can design and you can sell. So you can never run out. They have from the men's section to the women's section to the children. You can even design little aprons for babies that says it's Ramadan and my mom is mad because she's hangry. Stuff like that. You could choose to put humor in it. You could choose to make it spiritual. You could choose to make it funny. Put your own attitude behind it, right? Put a twist on it, make it different. Research what are the majority of colors that people like before you go. Now, one thing I want to warn you all about is because you're not buying it, you might want to go overboard with the samples, like and with the variety. And when you create that hoodie, you're like, oh, they can get 10 colors, so I'm just gonna put all 10 colors there. Don't do that. You are going to confuse your audience. Keep the options minimal, between 3 to 5 colors, whatever you create, because the more options they buy, the longer they're gonna use on your website, the faster they're gonna forget that they're on your website and they're gonna do something else. The child is gonna call them, their family is gonna call them, they're gonna forget about it. So less is more when it comes to print on demand. Now, if you want to go a step further, you can also do like Etsy ads. Maybe you run $2 to $7 ads every single day, so you're getting new eyes on your products every day. Remember, you're not paying for these products; you just created it. Now, don't forget to factor the ad costs into every product, so you are not running short. Even if you gain 20 or 25% out of every item that you design, the only thing that you had to spend was your time, that hour, that 2 hour, and your creativity. 25 to 50% is a really good business and a really good place to start from. And you will run up the $1,000 check real quick if you know how to target. You use your SEO words, not too much, but just right. And don't forget, you cannot make sales if you're not talking about your product. TikTok is that page where TikTok is that application where you want to go to, you want to go live, you want to post about the brand, you want to wear it and talk about it. You can even share it to family and friends, send it to them for free so they can give you feedback and they can also help you promote it. I hope this video helps. If it does and you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Make sure you look for the subscription somewhere around this video. Don't forget to hit the notification button because you're going to see me every other day on your feed, and comment what you want me to create next. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Don't forget, on this channel, we are making money. 2026, it is about to be our best year ever. See y'all. Bye.